It's nighttime. I have to go to bed, but I wanted to show you my slime that I made earlier. And it's supposed to glow in the dark. Let's see if it really does. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making glow in the dark slime kit. Let's get started. Let's see. So the glow in the dark glues, the magical liquid is added to Elmer's glue to make slime. Let's go!
You excited to start?
Yeah. Pour out 1.5 ounces Elmer's glow in the dark glue into a container. Okay. Use my muscles. That does not sound good.
What did it sound like?
Sounds like poop. My hands. You need muscles for this.
That was a good one.
Add 2 tablespoons of Elmer's magic liquid and mix. Then add 2 more tablespoons of Elmer's magical liquid and mix. Okay. Look at this. So intense. No, it's intenser. Guys, now I'm going to knead it. Let's get started. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, yes. Oh, it's slimy. Sticky. Kneading it is so fun. It's kind of like pudding, except stretchier. I hope we can make another one. Can we?
Sure.
Yay! It feels good. Pretty good. Ow. Sitting on my feet sure hurts. But it's fine. I love color slime. Ooh, so soft. This is so good. I wish this was my pillow. Is it good enough? I said, is it good enough? I've done this for hours.
No, it's been like 15 minutes.
What? Ooh.
How does it feel? Good?
Yeah. Feels
It's
nice.
ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm in heaven. I can make a bracelet. Get this off. Not the spoon! How is it funny?
Super funny.
Whoa.
Oh dear.
I'm copying you. No. No. No!
The spoon is trapped.
Haha. Let's bring it into the dark and see what it looks like. I have to go to bed, but I wanted to show you my slime that I made earlier. And it's supposed to glow in the dark. Let's see if it really does.
Take it out of the jar.
I can barely see you guys.
They're actually glowing, Lyla.
Oh.
Get it all out. Whoa. There's another hand. It's a ghost.
You want to see who this person actually is?
No, don't turn on the lights.
But I want to see what color this is, please. Please? Anyone? No one's there. That's creepy.
Turn the light. That's the green one.
Oh, I want that blue one.
Lyla, yours is glowing more actually.
Haha.
There, I'm turning back the light.
No.
Doesn't smell good.
This is my sister.
Ow, my knee.
Can we trade? Can we turn back the light off?
Wait, no, then we can't trade signs.
Louder.
I thought we were trading.
Okay.
Is it still recording?
Yes.
No! I thought it was over.
Tricked ya.
How dare you trick me?
And then can you lower your slime so I can see your face?
Give me more. Give me more.
Give me more.
Oh.
Look at mine.
Oh, what did you do?
Oh. Wait.
Mine's glowing brighter.
It's the heart of the future.
More. More. Oh, look at mine.
That's really bright now.
Look at
You
mine.
want to show it? Wow.
See, look at
It's
mine.
much brighter
It wasn't that bright before.
than right.
Mine is brighter than usual. I guess the lighter color is better.
Looks like it.
What? I just broke it in half.
Mommy, look at it. Ga ga ga. Good.
Super good?
Super good.
Extreme good? Infinitely good?
Uh-huh.
8 sideways
Uh-huh.
good?
Yeah. I hope I can play with the slime another time. That rhymes.
I guess so.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell.
What's your sister doing?
She's trying to hide and bounce and I don't know. Can we turn back the light off? Bye, guys. Bye.